termite and roaches. How did you even come up with that name, and why termite and roaches is what you decided to call this set of women?
All right. First of all, termite came up because I think it decent enough because me I say, all right, them girl are pissed. Me I say, pissed. Which pissed me hate the most? And she means a man me has a bill because I'm telling me a contractor. One of your worst nightmare are when you buy some expensive board and put up on a roof and when you look, gone. And that cost me so much money back in life past. I mean, I say, all right, termite. When we start thinking about pests, we say, all right, them girls are coming like termite. I mean, you hate termite, you're afraid. They're allergic to them. So I decided, so the girl them were pests, a termite. And guess what I call them termite? Them not gonna believe that one. You know, so because me never want to call them bitch. Termites sound more respectful. But here what the thing is. Tell me how the girl them call themselves bad bitch. I may call them a better name than that. And then hear me.
But do you notice what you just said? If they're calling their self a name, it's okay because they're calling a name. But you see, once you go and call them a name now, it's different. Even if you call them the same thing that they're calling yourself, they might feel ways because it's not coming from them. It's now coming from you.
No, I'll tell you what the problem was. You know why when me call them termite, even if me call them idiot girl, that doesn't sound better than bitch. They would still feel the same way. Tell me why. Because my adjective when me up for them, right, invokes the conscience, bro. Them do some terrible things, brother. Terrible, terrible, terrible things. And guess what? Even women consider themselves as good girl, feel some type of way. I mean, I tell them on them, if you want to say you have a good girl, bring her to watch my content. Any real woman who can't sit down with you and watch a man with, I tell woman to keep them self-respect. If any woman where you are, we can't see, say I try to bring back the black woman to them natural form, them respectful self, the way how God designed them to be. Them not no sense. I see another thing where mash up the thing is this: submit. A Jamaican girl I deal with, most of them don't know what submit means. It sounds like slavery. Submit no means I'm not be that slavery, you know. It just means you acknowledge your fact. Say, I'm me at the head of the house. What is wrong with that? Me gone out, you want every dollar when me have. Can me say woman I talk about woman born free, like basically man have them tie up. No man have no tie up in nowhere. Man born free too. Right? But when we work with money, you want it, right? Free. So why me can't tell you, say me at the head of my house without you thinking, say, I have some sort of slave? Explain it. Me have a certain things when me don't want in my life. You have a certain way you carry yourself as my woman, where you have to just, that's it. And the youth, them nowadays, it's sad, them don't even know that them require anything at all from them get them talk to. Why you think that some of them you just so stressed? Look when you just left school, just start getting work. I work every dollar and a girl. All the mama dead say hungry. Cause them don't know, nobody never raised them for no say. You have standards, bro. Certain girl in the chat. Why didn't get for free and get so high? A waste man cause it, bro. We can't blame the girl them alone. And the idiot boy them make them feel say them lifestyle. They okay, bro. Man, we want freak them out and them asleep with all kind of girl. Muscle. Jamaica did have so much lean girl 10 years ago. So everybody just born lean now all of a sudden. So God up their sleep. Everybody just lean now. Remember, we don't know influence, Everybody just born lean. And that can tell me. You know, so reach a point in our world, them tell us a man can breathe. A terrible world we had right now. And when all of that bullshit can start, now when you lose the woman them.
But you got to
remember. Now when social media go with woman them, everything get free.
And once you stand up and you're speaking something different, you've now become the bad guy. You've now become the target. You're the old-fashioned person. You don't know what you're talking about anymore. You're trying to show them things.
Bob Marley was the bad guy now. What a good guy now. So you say, no, while me alive, maybe it not go be taken serious. But just check it out 50, 60 years of the line. When they're not, no choice but to go back to them real self. Because everything in a life muscle is a circle, you know.
Mm-hmm.
A Satan time now. So good people have to just stay back and go and watch that manifest. All we can do is just try to see who we can see. Boy.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.